Hi guys, it's Demi. Today we'll be doing an opening of these new poppopssnotz and poppopspets. Do you like bubble wrap? Because these are the same as them. The fun of popping them, pop, pop, pop. These are going to be so fun as you can pop them and have awesome slime and inside collectible figures. On these you have, it's from Yulu and it's 5+. There's 4 collectible figures inside. And then here are all the figures groups you can collect, all on here. And you have to find the super rare glitter pet on this one. On the super snotz, it's the same. You have 60 pets to collect. No, you have 60 snotz to collect. And find the 4 surprises. And then on this one, you have to find the super rare sticky snot. And then here's the groups you can get. Let's open. We've got them out of the pack, and they both came with these checklists.
So for the poppopssnotz and poppopspets.
And then on the back, they've got some like cool little pictures. Let's start popping.
Is there something in there?
I don't know. I can't get it out. Guys, I feel something in here. Guys, we've got one of our little collectibles. It's kind of like a little collectible in this purple slime.
Looks like a llama.
It might be. So there's the purple one, and it came with that. Let's open a pink one.
Is it tough?
It won't open. Yes, you got it. Guys, you got another one.
What does it look like?
It looks like another sleeping camel.
Cute.
Yeah, that was a purple. Let's open another pink one. Purple one. There's something in this one. Let's get it before it drowns. It's a pig, I think.
We'll find out after with all of it.
Yeah. Let's open some of the green ones. Oh, did I pop it?
A little. Oh.
There you go. It looks like boogers. Nothing in this one, guys. Let's move on to another one. It's stuck in my fingers.
Tough one.
Just doesn't want to open, guys.
Oh, with a pop.
Ah, my ear.
Oh, that's a nice green one, isn't it?
There isn't one in here. Let's try this one. Oh, pops again. Guys, you got one.
Oh.
It looks like it won't come out the slime. It's very, very slippery.
Oh.
What is it?
Oh, there's a loud pop.
Is
there something in that one?
Yeah. It will come out. Got it. Here we go. It's like got slime over its face. Oh,
Running away.
So we opened all the other pops and we found these 3 here. And we found, and 2 of them were a rare or a super rare. So we're now going to tell you what each rarity of the poppopssnotz and the poppopspets.
And the names of him as well.
Yeah. So this one here is Mersloth. She's a super rare, and this is our first time opening them. This one here is the Bride Llama. She's also a rare. Like, it's mind-blowing. Llama Pajama is a common. Photo Piggies, which is that one, is a common. And onto the poppopssnotz. So this one is course meal, and he's a super rare again. It's like, oh my god, like people know us. The gods know us. And then Soggy Wet Wrap is a common. Dark Slide is a common. And Booger Bro is a common. I'm so happy that I got the 2 super rares and the 1 rare. Let's time to show you some of the slimes. So for the pops pets, they got a purple nice little slime, and it's like really glossy. And you also got this pink one from the pops pets. We also got these runny ones that I can't pick up because I just said about my hand from the poppopssnotz, and also this dark green one is the same as this one from the poppopssnotz. Bye guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Bye!